Oh, jeez, this is huge. Yeah, the smell, right? I know. High ceiling, at least 20-foot high here. Yeah. Oh, this is like a model home.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Can I move my stuff over here this evening?
right, exactly. I didn't know it was this spacious.
This
You can tell with the pictures?
19 million.
19.
Okay, muy chen. Bao nhiêu square mét?
89 mét.
Tam chen maybe?
89 mét.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the biggest one. Oh, Chin Moy. Okay.
Chin Moy.
So 90 square meters. Because this is the biggest. So this is the biggest one. Because the other ones are 80 to 85.
Okay.
So this is 5 to 10 square meters more. I like the
This is
lights.
beautiful.
I like everything. Kitchen is nice. Huge
Brand new.
fridge. Everything's brand new.
So I would be the first person
Right.
in this unit.
Most of them you will be. Yeah. Most of the selections that we're gonna look at. Yep.
And so this is
cool.
the same setup. So if I wanted to get a
Yeah.
dryer, I could just get a frame and stack.
Yep. Exactly.
Yeah. This
You know,
is
we can put
huge.
that. It has everything, so we can just ask for that for the most part.
I'll put an outside office.
Yeah, right? Yeah. It is nice. Nice flooring. You could install the rack too if you
Right.
wanted that. Yeah, those are just the little things.
And I mean, in terms of sound, sound is.
Oh
very
yeah,
rampant.
and you're on the side of the construction.
Exactly.
Was what over here, right?
Yeah.
This is nice. Look at the ceiling.
I've been
yeah.
I've been missing.
Yeah, right. A proper rug.
And a couch.
Yeah, you're definitely moving up.
This is.
Yeah. Nice sectional too. Cool.
This is beautiful.
Oh,
And I've said to myself, like
Yeah.
this year, because now I've moved into the phase of.
Okay, so this is a semi-pocketing door. So it goes, all the way to there.
As well. These are lovely.
Yeah,
These are really
everything
nice
brand new. Wow, so you couldn't hear any of this noise at all. And this is right on the front of the traffic.
Yeah.
So we didn't hear anything.
And this is probably
And this
a
is
few
pro-
decibels higher than what I hear on that main arterial road from
Mhm.
my balcony.
Yeah.
You know.
And this is almost prime time.
Right.
We're getting to
Right.
prime time, so it's not going to get too much more noisy than this.
And again, I still get a clear view out into the distance.
Yeah.
Over here, is this a golf course?
It kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks like a mini golf course or something. Yeah, it looks like golf.
Yeah.
Yeah. Little putt. It's definitely countryside. Little rice paddy putting green going on.
See what the traditional-
That's a restaurant. I think I've been there. It is really nice. It's a spot where you can literally fish. You can catch your own fish and they'll grill it up for you.
Wow.
But it's really, really awesome. It's like all the huts are in the water, so you're just surrounded by the lake.
Are these going to be more apartments over here?
Yep. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea.
Yeah, they're pretty close to completion over this one.
Essential Sky.
Okay, Ecstasy Sky. Ecstasy Sky. All right. I don't even know what that is. This is how fast it's moving now that I don't even know. I can't even keep up anymore. Across is Dragon. This is one of the OGs of teachers where teachers live.
Right.
This was like the newest, hottest apartment in the area, and then Saigon South came
And then you
and
blink,
stole the
and then
thunder of that.
something comes
Yeah. This is nice. Wow. I haven't been in a model home brand new like this in a while. This is super cool.
So this is the
this
guest
is nice.
bedroom.
Guest bedroom,
So
right?
this is the one
This
that
is
feasibly could be turned into the office.
Correct. Right.
And are they cool with the basically?
That's the one we would have to ask for. This one doesn't seem too bad, although it's an expensive bed.
Of course.
So I can tell it's expensive bed, but that's something we have to put in
Right.
for requests and see how they respond. Yeah.
I miss lamps.
Yeah, I know, right? You don't see this very often. You don't see this very often at
No,
all.
they've done a beautiful job.
Nice side, yeah. Matching wardrobes, very tall, very high ceilings. Aircon is Daikin, which is the best.
Is that the inverter?
Yep, exactly, yep.
See, I learned my lesson the first time you made the inverter.
Yeah.
It was on this.
Yeah, right.
That's what I said to the kids
And you
when
know-
they came round. I said,
Yeah.
I don't know much about AC, but I was reliably informed that the inverter technology.
Right? Oh, this is well. Yes, right. This is interesting. I mean, this is big enough to have a home office even in this room.
I was gonna say.
That's the way they have it styled, because normally like it might have a curve or something, but it has it all open.
Right.
Instead of a separate closet.
And I love the double windows as well. I think.
Yeah, right. I was thinking about that too. You don't see that often either.
Oh wow, these are the
Oh yeah, the rolling blinds. Right. You can go to blackout or partially open. Yeah, that is really cool. I think this is technically a corner. Yeah, we are. This is a corner unit. So that's why you have that double window.
So your job might be very easy. I might have locked in.
Right, yeah, right. It happens like that sometimes.
When's your lease up?
Sometimes the first
my
one.
battle for this.
Yeah, right.
This is beautiful. So this is open.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, those open. Yeah, those open outward. It's the perfect, you know, it's set. There's looks like there's some lights that they still need to put in. Like those are some of the things that could be from the developer that they need to do. But yeah, it's like the perfect starter. Nice full bath. Yeah. Oh no! Oh, that's a first.
And it's a universal.
Yeah. Normally it's like on the wall.
Right.
That's a little bit more seamless.
And it's got a little notch.
Oh, come on! Those little things. Yeah. Yeah.
Huge.
Yeah,
And what's nice is like,
tall.
again, the apartment I've got currently is incredible.
Right.
Sad to miss it, but it's a bit overwhelming with the amount of storage. This
It
is
is
functional.
Right.
You know?
Right.
This is insane.
Perfect.
Listen to this, right?
Yeah.
Right? 3, 2, 1.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Right? It's like triple pane. What? Oh my God, that's new. Even that one, I know that bidet too.
Yeah.
That's an expensive one. Yeah, these ones sink is by half.
Oh,
So everything is premium.
I think it's like controls the TV as well.
Right, exactly. Have to connect to the Wi-Fi. So that's good to know. Everything is premium. I just noticed everything is half full. I believe the stove is half full as well. Yep.
I've noticed as well the
Half-full
way
windows.
it's laid out, the airflow is really incredible.
Right. I'm bet you open this door, then that
Even
connects
the bathroom
and that.
here, it's just it all just loops.
Yeah.
It's a really good circulation.
Right.
God, they're all universal.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Targeting all of Vinhomes is targeting Japanese, Korean mostly.
Right.
And Japanese especially are like, they'll leave the contract and forget the deposit if there's too much noise.
Really?
They're very that stickler about this, their culture.
Yeah.
It's seriously about quiet living.
Wow.
So
Maybe I'm Korean.
developers, yeah, right, I know. You might be part Korean. But yeah, the developers, they have to have those things in place. When you close the windows, there's no noise from the street.
This
is cool. This is a 65 inch as well. TCL is good. Everything is matching. You got the sofas with matching the same exact cloth on the back seat here.
Right.
So they're keeping a uniform, and you have the green there. So you just add in a little bit more stuff.
Like usually I'm pretty picky.
Yeah,
on
yeah.
Stuff. That's safe. That's beautiful.
Right. The lighting I can tell is beautiful. These are expensive lights. These are not your. These are really nice. That one looks like it can change color though.
I was gonna say.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm a fan of it.
Yeah. Okay, that's outside. Yeah. So these are just set, but these are still warm. This is
like
not too warm. Yeah.
The glass is shaded.
Oh yeah. That's normal. Yep. Oh, you mean? Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The outside, right? The outside has the.
feature.
Yeah. And inside is a lower. It doesn't have as much as a reflection.
They've done an incredible job.
Even stuff like this, like they bring it down so that the curtains are, coved in. Yeah. You don't see the railing.
No, they can recess really lovely, and then these are.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Right.
I'm surprised with